Yo, what's good YouTube? Today I'm gonna show you how I made 1k trading gold today. Not today technically, but yesterday. Today is NFP day, so we don't trade. So as you see, 1k here. This is my XPS funded account. As you see, my name is Zach. So I'm gonna show you the top down analysis for this trade so you can take advantage of it. And let's see. So my strategy is basically simple supply and demand strategy. So in supply demand strategy, this is my checklist before entering a trade. Okay, first we must have a trend, then we must have break of structure, then we must have a demand zone. For this trade technically I have a demand zone, so you can do supply when you have a bearish trend wherever, and then entry signal. So let me drive with you. So this is gold, this is gold. As you see, we are bullish. Okay, we are bullish now. So the trend is check. So we are bullish now. We're looking for buys. We are not looking for sales. So then I scale down to the 1 minute. This is New York open. I trade New York. I scale down to the 1 minute and I see this move. I have a bullish trend to the upside, as you see, and then price shifted the structure the downside. Now we have a bearish trend and then pulled back and then broke structure here, as you see. Let me zoom in right here, and then the price reverse and shift the structure again. So now we are bullish trend, so we are looking for buys. And then when I see this and I see this retest, I go back to the 5 minutes and I see this. Let me remove all this stuff for you, and I see this demand zone. I see this demand zone from the top here to the bottom here. This is my demand zone. It's the last candle before the push. If you don't know how to mark your demand zones, just go back to the last video and you're gonna learn it. So when I see this, I have the break of structure in the 1 minute and I have a 5 minute demand zone, but it's make it like perfect setup if I have this move in the 5 minute. We broke structure here and then came back, but we don't have this move in the 5 minutes, so we gonna go with the 1 minute. So we have the 1 minute break of structure, we have a 5 minute demand zone, and I waited for the price to retest my demand zone right here. So we have a trend, we are on a bullish trend, and then we have the break structure in the 1 minute, but if it is in the 5 minutes, it's gonna be a plus setup. So and then we have a demand zone. So all is left is my entry signal, my entry. So basically the entry is I want to see a lot of volume with the momentum. So check this out. When the price retests the demand zone, it's slowing down, making this wicks like this, is slowing down in this demand zone. So when I see this slowing down, okay, it's a good trade, to be honest. So let me take it. So I'm waiting for like a push. I want a bullish engulfing candlestick with a lot of momentum. So 8:55, we see this bullish engulfing candlestick that break my 10 EMAs and my 20 EMAs. So that's it. This is my entry signal. I put my entry here, stop loss below this current candle, and then like immediately smacked my 1-on-1, like immediately smacked 1-on-1. I closed some cons here and I left some cons to 1 or 2, and I'm done for the day, making 1k with the easy strategy, easy system, easy checklist. That's it. And this is how my students and I catching this trade every single day, and that's it. For example, I have my student Davey. Student Davey is literally zero knowledge, and he's catching his own trade, and it's good to be honest. Like for me, this week I went for 2-1-1. I lose one trade and I win 2, and my student Davey is go for 1-0. So he's better than me, to be honest. And that's it.